Morning dear students, welcome to Iqra English School. This is your class 3rd NCERT book Looking Around, and today we will read the second part of the chapter number 11. So let's start the remaining chapter. The word of flowers. Here are some pictures of flowers. Make a tick on the flowers which you recognize. Write their names too if you know. So I have written here the name of the flowers. This is a hibiscus, this is a rose, this is a sunflower, this is a marigold, this is champa, mogra, tulsi, jasmine and white rose. This is a white rose, don't be disturbed. From the picture given above and other flowers that you know, give the name of to which. Give the name of to which grows on trees. So you can say the gulmohar and kadamba grow on trees. Rose and marigold grow on bushes. Morning glory and aparajita grows on creepers. Lotus and water lily grow on water plant, or you can say lotus and water lily grow in water. Jasmine and night queen bloom only at night, and sunflower and tulips bloom in the day and close at night. Which flower can you recognize by their scent even with your eyes closed? So you can say you can recognize the scent of rose and jasmine by closing our eyes. Which flowers bloom all the year round? You can say the rose and jasmine can bloom all the year. Which flower bloom only in certain months? So you can say marigold and tulips blooms only in certain months. Are there any trees or plants which never have any flowers? Find out and write. So you can say money plant and pine tree, they do not bloom any flower, they do not have any flower. Children who can bring flowers, many may bring one or two flowers to class. Remember that you must collect only fallen flowers. Do not pluck any flower. Make group of 3 or 4 children and look at one flower carefully. So I have taken a red flower, and we will talk about the red flower, about the flower that's name is rose. The rose flower I have taken, and we will talk about the rose flower. What is the color of the flower? You can say the rose is red. What kind of a scent does it have? Its scent is very sweet. What does it look like? A bell, a bowl, a brush, or anything else? So you can say the rose flower look like a cup. The bud of rose flower is look like a cup shape. Do these flowers grow in bunches? No, roses do not grow in bunches. How many petals does it have? It has 20 to 40 petals. Are all the petals joined together or separate? So you can say all the petals are separate. Outside the petals, can you see any green leafy structure? How many are there? There are 5 such parts of the green leafy structure. Inside the petals, in the middle of the flower, can you see some thin structure? Write its color. It is yellow in color. The thin structure is called this is yellow in color. When you touch these, do you find a powdery things on your hands? You can say yes, we feel some powdery things.